This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on an Android device. First, ensure your Android device meets the necessary requirements. You'll need an operating system of Android 5.0 or Lollipop or newer. Also, confirm you have at least 150 megabytes of free storage. These initial checks are crucial for a smooth installation process and optimal game performance. Let's get started with the next steps. Once your device is ready, open the Google Play Store application. This is the primary and safest way to download apps on Android. Use the search bar at the top to type Roblox and press Enter. From the search results, select the official Roblox application. Then, simply tap the Install button. The app will download and install automatically, typically taking just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After Roblox finishes installing, find its icon in your app drawer and tap to open it. If you're new to Roblox, you'll need to create an account, which is a quick and easy process. Existing players can simply log in with their username and password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main interface, where you can explore countless games and connect with friends. Enjoy your new Roblox experience. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try clearing the Google Play Store's cache and data from your device settings. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is essential for both downloading and playing. If the game crashes or performs poorly, a simple device restart often resolves many problems. Finally, always keep your Roblox app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.